Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular options, the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the portable small washing machine. Both of these machines are designed for convenience in small spaces, but they have distinct features that set them apart. Let's take a closer look at their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the ROVSUN washing machine offers a total capacity of 15 pounds, which includes 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable small washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it ideal for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. While both machines are designed for portability, the ROVSUN provides a bit more washing power for those who need it. In terms of functionality, the ROVSUN washing machine is a versatile washer and spinner combo, featuring a built-in drain pump and separate timers for washing and spinning. This allows for a more efficient laundry process. Conversely, the portable small washing machine is designed to be foldable and compact, featuring a built-in spin dryer basket. While it may not offer the same level of functionality as the ROVSUN, its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to store and transport. Design-wise, the ROVSUN features a traditional twin-tub design, which may take up more space but provides a robust washing experience. In contrast, the portable small washing machine boasts a compact, foldable design that makes it perfect for small living spaces and travel. This design allows users to easily store it away when not in use, making it a great option for those who prioritize portability. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the portable small washing machine have their unique advantages. The ROVSUN is perfect for those needing a larger capacity and more functionality, while the portable small washing machine excels in portability and ease of storage. Depending on your specific needs, either option could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.